afternoon. It's the usual midsummer, mid-afternoon rainstorm. Oh, that's not a dub. What is that? That's not a dub.
But it's air cooled.
Or a Porsche. Oh, it is air cooled.
It is air cooled,
So,
see?
yeah.
It
Kind of like
fits
a
in.
kilt is air cooled.
Exactly. Yes, it fits into the environment as a
It
whole.
does. It does. Well, does it have a name?
Mistress.
Mistress. Very nice.
Mistress.
Ooh, look at her curves.
When I was married, I spent more time on her than with my wife. So.
I thought you were going to say on your wife.
Nope, then
So
with
I
my
had to say it
wife.
instead. But how are you? What are you up to?
Pulling some door cards.
Okay.
New ones, so pulling some old ones.
Who is this vehicle?
Cantrell.
Cantrell? Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah, still working on it.
Nice. Very
You got
nice.
the tune up that, so taking
Awesome.
door cards off, they got molding.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they were right there.
Oh, yeah. All right. You guys want to see the mold?
Fixed them before, but he has the money for new ones.
Yeah. Awesome. All right. So that'll be good. He'll be happy.
Yep.
Molding's not good. All right, let's see what's going on in the shop. So we have Pippin, and that's about done, and then RDC, and that's about done. Oh, and the client got this awesome little Einstein. Maybe we could see it through the plastic. I for sure am not. No, all right, we can't see. He's got a little Einstein doll in there. It's adorable. And another white beetle. Whose beetle is this?
That is Linker.
That's Linker. Right. Okay.
Yeah,
and then
this-
we have Sharp's thing.
Yeah.
Boy, that'll stop traffic.
Yes.
Or at least get people to stop before they hit the intersection.
Exactly. Especially around the area, and every little bit
Oh
helps.
my
Holy
gosh.
crap.
Yeah, you want to be highly visible.
Yes. Yes.
For an
you
area
do.
with not a ton of traffic, there's some crazy drivers
There are.
here. It's
there
nuts.
are. And it's the texters. It's the texters
Yes,
that do
you
majority
know?
of the stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a guy that he almost hit me yesterday on my bike on the way home, and so I made my presence known to him. And I so
What,
I
did you
was
throw a rock
I
at
was
him?
I was kind. I didn't have any ceramic in my pocket at that time.
Okay, good.
But so I'm in front of him, and I come up to a stoplight, and I'm watching him, and the whole time he's like this on his phone. The light turns green, and I take off, and about a quarter mile down the road, and I look back, he's still sitting there.
Sitting there.
Still sitting there. Cars honking all around
I was going to
him,
say,
and
somebody had a honk.
yeah, oh, he's oblivious.
So-
He just had no clue what was going on. Like, this is pathetic.
That's
Just-
crazy.
yeah.
I mean, I was a New Jersey driver. Like, that was where New Jersey and Boston were my first major driving
yeah,
experiences.
yeah.
You could not do that kind of thing. You'll get popped.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah, exactly.
it
Oh, I've
gets
driven
ugly.
New York plenty of times.
Yeah, next
and it
thing you
just-
know, you got somebody angry
Yeah.
pounding on your
yes.
window.
Oh,
like,
yeah, definitely.
Choice words and all.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
Beyond some choice
Oh
words
my.
at
So
times.
yes, this is good, Patsy. We're proud of your color choice. This will probably prolong your life. That's awesome.
Make it very visible.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you know what? Even if Rodney is not here, you guys got to see this. So that was Rodney's Father's Day present. Those are his kids. His ex-wife is an amazingly talented photographer. She did a photo shoot for RDC, for Caden, for Mabel. Like, she's amazing. So I had to show you that. All right, let's see what's going on with the spook. Spook in the house.
What up?
What are you doing?
I'm taking a little piece of seal. Got left.
I thought you said pizza seal. I got a little excited.
No.
This is definitely not as exciting.
No, this is like OCD level stuff.
Well, this is what you do, man.
What is?
The OCD man. Oh, and look at you got schmutz. All right, you get mom spit. There. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, yeah. That's much better.
I feel like I've been mugged
You were.
in a good way.
Yeah.
What's going on today?
So just taking a tour of the shop. It's raining now, so
Oh.
everything's inside,
Good.
which is good. And we've got it looks like 2 white beetles in the house. They're
Yeah,
kinda cool.
I thought we had gotten rid of one of those
No,
already.
I think it came back. They find their way home.
I think I developed another oil leak. Another
Oh,
one. So we had
man.
done an exhaust change out on that.
What is that, Cantrell?
No,
He's getting new door cards.
yeah, Cantrell was just the next series of tune-up
Okay.
and stuff. And then,
So that's on the front deck.
and then add-on. I thought the other white beetle went home already, but
Linker.
No, okay, yeah, there's a Lincoln. We had
Right.
we had a 67
I
in
thought,
here
yeah, we had a third one,
that
right?
just went home.
Right. Okay.
So I was
okay.
thinking that one. I'm going, no,
Not again, right?
No.
Yeah.
So-
Yeah. For a while, we had like
3 or
3
4
white
of 'em.
beetles, a black beetle, a black fast
Oh, yeah.
notch. I
Yeah.
like that notch.
That notch is fun.
I like that notch a
That just
lot.
screams Eastern European, though, doesn't it?
I know. I would feel so bad. I should totally take that for a drive, don't you think?
Well, I'm sure you can arrange that with one of the guys.
Yeah. I'm not. Oh, okay. As a passenger.
Yeah.
All right. I'll settle for that.
Well, because you're not on the insurance.
I am not on the insurance, folks. I cannot drive these cars. If you see me driving anything except for Mabel,
So
call the popo, tell my mom, whatever you got to
No,
do, but I
don't-
shouldn't be doing it.
Yeah,
so.
don't do that.
Right.
Don't do that.
So what's up with the Porsche today?
I'm just going through the last of the secondary panels
Mm-hmm.
and doing the fine tuning on them before I go into final sealer.
Good, good.
And it gets all scratched down one more
Oh my
time.
goodness.
So it's just like, did bumpers today, did lower balances today. Yesterday I was working on the headlight buckets, another balance setup,
Okay.
the tonneau covers, because I have 2 of them.
The what covers?
Tonneau covers, the top here.
Oh yeah. Okay. The roof.
So the
We've got
client-
one with a rack and one with not, right?
Yeah, the client requested a roof rack, which we're capable of doing.
Okay.
But the way we would have to attach it, being that's a fiberglass piece, we'd actually have to come up to the backside.
Oh, wait. A roof rack on a race car.
Yeah.
Does
Because he
that?
wants to carry skateboards and bicycles and stuff.
Okay, so he's not just gonna race with
No.
it.
No,
Okay.
no, no.
Because I was
He's
gonna say, won't that do some bad things to
Well,
race
it-
times?
It will, and he'll probably bang it up, and it'll be a little deck over here. We'll be beating on steel some more.
Okay. And this is why we also have a second rack, second roof.
Yes,
Okay.
and that way you can change them out. If he's going to go racing, he takes off the rack, but if he's going to a car show,
Okay.
he wants to show off his skateboards and
So it just
bicycles
like
and stuff.
pops in. Maybe there's a lever that hold it, like a latch or something.
Yeah, there's 2 latches.
Okay.
We're going to do photobomb.
What the? Don't you
Photobombing?
do? You want to live?
Don't mess with the New Jersey girls.
Could get very ugly fast.
So other than that, it's just, I've got one more panel to finish up. Just started on that. I should get that done today.
All right.
And then we're pretty much on holding this car until we get more parts.
All right.
So
Do we have a color?
I don't-
Colors? Not yet. So
he
okay.
picked another color last time I talked to him.
Gotcha. It's hard to decide. There's so many.
I thought we had it nailed down, and it's
I
like we did
know.
a selection. We did, oh yeah, I like this, and then it went from an orange and black trim, over to black with orange trim,
Okay.
and it was one of my special bling blacks.
Oh yeah.
So one of Spook's colors.
Yeah.
And then it's, I don't know, it might go like cream and orange.
Okay.
Or orange.
Ooh, like an orange creamsicle.
Or orange and blue, because that's kind of
Ooh.
that's a Porsche set of colors.
Okay.
And the thing I've really
Isn't that
noticed,
a gators? That's like gators or dolphins or something.
yeah, I think it's the Dolphins or
Yeah.
it's one of the Florida teams.
Okay.
So it's basically Betty Bus blue and a custom orange.
Oh, all right.
So when I first started looking at these, it's like they were always had obnoxious color schemes.
Okay. That's
Or
a
they-
thing.
Or they were murdered out, or
Right.
they were stock color. That was it. You never really saw anything that was just either not outrageous stock
Yeah.
or just
And I
boring.
could see doing the outrageous like on the track. Maybe you distract your
Oh, yeah.
your opponents.
Well, no, it's also makes it easier to see. I mean,
Oh, that's true.
These are some pretty quick little cars.
That's
They
true.
handle really well.
You gotta have something to catch the eye.
Yeah, well, it's like, the engine is almost directly, if you figure weight distribution, the
Yeah.
best place for the engine to be is in the center of the mass of the vehicle.
And it is, basically.
And this it is. So this is getting a 2.8 liter,
You guys wanna see where that's
6-cylinder Porsche motor.
And it's going in here.
Yeah, going right there. The transmission will be behind it.
Okay.
And that's just a standard configuration for this engine.
Okay.
So it's actually a bolt-in deal. It's not that big of a deal.
Nice.
So we already had a side shift transmission that came out of this car originally,
Okay.
which is what you need to make it work.
Right.
So, it's a better transmission all in all.
Okay.
So,
How much will this thing weigh when it's all
I-
done? And I mean, not the body.
oh,
the
I
whole
don't know. I haven't done the calculations.
Oh, okay.
Because I haven't factored in the engine and the suspension upgrades and the weight calculation.
Right. You were
Also-
just gonna lift this up and estimate, weren't you?
Yeah. Plus, it's added roll cage. I'm not quite sure what we're doing on the interior.
Oh,
so,
sure.
Every pound counts in a race
Oh,
car.
yeah,
But
yeah.
we're doing steel fenders, so
Right.
this is a true tribute to the GT 914.6.
Nice.
Only produced for 2 years, folks. And this is going to be a really good clone.
Yeah.
So other than the VIN number, you'll never be able to tell this was never a GT.
Amazing.
So that's kind of the plan.
That's pretty cool.
So I think everything's pretty much shut down and back.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it.
We had a client back there for a while doing some interior stuff.
All right.
He wanted to do his own camper interior, which he took out.
Uh-huh.
He refinished, and he wanted to put it back in the bus. So
Okay.
he space to do it, and some help here and there, air tools when he needs them.
There you go.
So generally, we don't encourage our clients.
I was going to say, I've never heard of that
happen.
happening before.
But he did take out the side panels, you know, all the paneling and
Right.
the cabinets. He did redo all of that, and you know, he's been a really good client. So we went ahead and gave him a little bit of shop space advice and some compressed air.
Nice.
Anyway,
Very
we've
cool.
got those people who are looking to book cars.
Uh-huh.
You might want to really start talking to us. That
Yeah.
funnel's starting to get a little bit full.
It's a little tight.
I'm getting.
And
like,
the floor right now is ridiculous.
I'm getting at least 2 or 3 fairly serious inquiries a week, and those are going to start converting here pretty soon.
Yeah.
Next available is going to be end of July,
Right.
unless somebody else cancels. So if you want to get in line, you might want to
Yeah.
call us.
Info at Airkooled Customs and .com, right?
Or you
And-
can call us at the shop, 256-828-2123.
Right.
What new swag do we have this month?
Well,
Or
let's
this
see. Oh,
week.
we've got socks, dude.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding. I know
Did you
you're
tell
not wild
Jeff?
about socks. I'm gonna. I forgot to tell him.
You need to tell Jeffro, because
Yeah.
Jeffro likes socks.
Uh-huh.
So you might want to go tell him.
I'm gonna.
I'm going to go
because
back to my scratching. 'Cause I'm
that sounds like a good idea. You got some work to do.
a little bit, not much. I like being caught up, but
Well, there you
it
go.
rarely happens.
Well, especially with the OCD. You know?
Yes.
It's like,
Oh,
one more thing. One more round.
One more thing. Bye, folks.
Bye. Hey, Jeff.
Hey, yeah.
Guess what?
What?
Guess what the new item of the week is in the swag shop?
We get
Socks!
We got socks.
socks!
What? I didn't
Yes.
see the new socks.
I made an executive decision.
Okay, hold on. Turn it down some.
There you go. Socks.
Yes.
With the nice black.
Your fascination with socks, just for the people who are just
Socks,
joining
are you
us.
kidding
What is
me?
my fascination with
Well,
socks?
no, because some people don't know your last
history.
winter sock collections.
He has an
Oh,
awesome
yeah,
sock
yeah.
collection.
I have a lot of socks.
You've got Superman.
Superman.
You've got Minions.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Minions.
A unicorn, right?
Unicorns pooping rainbows.
Yes. Bacon? Do you have bacon socks yet?
No, I don't have bacon
Oh,
socks.
that's a
yet.
crime.
I don't have that. I have
How's
diamond
that?
socks.
Right.
Because somebody gave me the package of the professional socks. I have
Oh,
all the professional
nice.
socks on them.
That's
I
cool.
have ostrich socks. I have chicken feet socks.
That's
I have
awesome.
a lot.
Like more than a week. You almost don't have to do laundry.
I think I can go a month without socks.
Oh, nice,
It
nice.
was
Now it'll be a little while before you're gonna want to wear them now because it's freaking hot.
It
but-
is hot. It is hot, but this one it started. It was last year in the summertime.
Okay.
And
To catch the sweat, maybe.
no, I was just bored. I couldn't find any socks. All my other socks were dirty, and that's all. All I could find was a pair of knee-high Minion socks.
Well, there you go.
And yeah, I mean, I'm from San Diego, so it's kind of you wear shorts with knee-high socks.
There
and,
you go.
I mean, it is what it is.
It is what it is, so.
It stayed that way all year last year, and then this year I'm like, it's hot.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
I'll bring them back. They'll probably come back closer to fall time.
Okay, well, we'll have to
Bring
get you some
something
of
back.
these by
yeah.
then.
Oh,
you know?
yes,
I wish we could do black with the white meatball, the logo on it,
Yeah.
you know, but these are white with the black. So you got one use and they're toast.
Oh yeah, they'll be toast in there.
At least
Definitely
with our
toast.
use, you know,
Yeah,
like
oh,
normal
yeah.
use should be fine, but
Exactly. You wear them every day, they'll be fine. Little
Right, you'd be
thing on it.
alright.
Around here, yeah, they'll be toast.
yeah, no, nothing. We've had requests for white swag, and it's like, so not gonna work. Exactly.
But the crew can't wear white swag. You want to wear what the crew can't wear?
Exactly. If the crew can't wear white, why would you?
Oh yeah, we can't wear white. And it's after Labor Day. Was it Labor Day?
I mean, it'll be like
Memorial
the
Day?
exactly. So if you're wearing white, we know clearly you are not on the crew.
Yeah.
Whereas if you wear one of our shirts, you know,
Yeah,
maybe
you
we'll
never
hand
know.
you a wrench. It could happen.
Hey, you can come help me wire stuff.
You can help us find our 10 millimeter wrench.
Oh yeah, I don't know where it's at. Like,
They're just constantly going.
don't have it last.
There you go.
Someone's not touched one today.
Ah.
Excuses is all I hear.
All right, say goodbye to the nice people, Steph.
Bye.
Bye.
Call us. Let us know what you need.
Yeah.
Bye, nice people.
There we go.